So you want to start making videos for your business, don't know how to get started? Well, coming up, I'm going to walk you through how making a small investment in audio can make a huge difference for your videos. So we're going to walk you through the difference between recording audio from your iPhone, using a Zoom recorder like this, or a lapel mic that I'm using right now. Hey, it's Jeff from TheFigCo. We're a digital marketing agency focused on helping small businesses grow. On our YouTube channel, we'll teach you everything about digital marketing, from recording videos to social media to paid ads. If you think videos like this one could be useful, we'd encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the first episode of Getting Started with a Video. We started this series because we realized the growing importance of creating videos online for any type of business. We want to show small business owners that you don't need to invest thousands of dollars in equipment to create great videos. So in this series, we're going to record everything with my iPhone 6s. We're using a couple of lights and investing in the audio equipment that we're using. Today we want to walk you through a couple of different options for audio so you can kind of see the pros and cons of each one. And with small investments in audio, you can make a big difference in the videos that you're shooting. So the first audio option I'll walk you through today is using a lav mic. This is what you hear me speaking on right now. The good thing about these is the audio is very clear. They're not very expensive. This costs, I think, around $20. I'll put some links down below of mics you can pick up on Amazon from anywhere from $12 to $30. The good thing is it cuts down a lot of the external noise. So there's actually someone whistling around the corner right now. I don't know if you can actually hear that. But that's a great thing about this. And I'm in a small conference room right now. There's a little bit of an echo, but with this audio, you probably don't hear it all that much. The other thing is I can move around, I can turn my back to the camera, and I can move off screen, and you hear me the same. Some of the disadvantages of using a mic like this though is, one, you're gonna see it in the shots. Two, I'm connected to a cord right now, so I might trip over it, and also kind of hinders where I can move around to because it's connected to my phone right now. So that's the lav mic. Coming up, I'll walk you through just using the audio from your cell phone. All right, here's the audio from my iPhone 6s. So from this distance, I'm pretty much arm's length away from my phone right now, like 3 feet, a meter away from my phone. The audio actually is pretty good. You might be hearing a little bit of an echo right now, given that I'm in a small conference room. So if you're doing something like this, the audio from your phone can work well. Some of the disadvantages though is, so like if I am moving around right here, maybe you don't hear me that well. If I back up a little bit, you probably notice the difference in what the audio sounds like. So if you're shooting stuff very close up, if there's not a lot of noise, if there's not a lot of echo, the audio from your phone works pretty well. All right, now I want to show you what it sounds like with the Zoom H1 mic. This is what we've used for most of our recent videos. You can use it kind of mounted on top of a camera like this. We place it just off scene when we're using the iPhone. You can plug it into your computer and use it for screencast. There's really just a whole bunch of uses for it, and it's much better than the microphone on your computer, on your camera, or the internal mic for a camera. And also some other good things with it is, like, you can use it for interviews. So Louder, do you mind passing me the mic? So I could use it in an event like this. Also, if I wanted to talk to Louder, who's off screen. So Louder, can you say something?
Hello.
So there's a bunch of different uses for it, or even something like this. So here's a great use for the Zoom H1. So if you want to be far away from your camera or phone, you can just basically place the mic somewhere off scene where you're not going to see it. So, and you have great audio. People don't notice the microphone. It's not like I have the lapel mic right here. And also it's way better than if you listen to the audio from my phone. So right now we'll switch over to that. If you listen to this audio right now, my voice is probably really muffled. You can't hear me that well. Maybe you can even hear the music that's playing at our office. So not a great thing to use a microphone that's connected to your phone or camera, because you can't do shots like this. One last trick I want to show you is if you have the Zoom recorder as well as the lav mic, you can actually use them together. So I have the lav mic plugged into the Zoom H1 recorder, and that has the benefits of the lav mic of being really clear, crisp sound, and now I'm not going to trip over the cable because it's all shoved into my pocket, and I can walk around, I can go grab a coffee, and you can probably hear that the audio is good. I don't know how loud the water is right now, but you have really good sound, you have a wireless mic, and you can shoot shots like this now. One thing I forgot to mention when you're recording audio separately, like on the Zoom H1, is that it adds a little bit of complexity when you go to edit the video later, because you have one file that has the video on it and you have another file that has this audio on it. So basically what you need to do is add both of the files to the software that you're using and then line up the audio so when you're seeing me speak, that this audio matches up with that video. Hopefully you found this audio tutorial useful, and now you've seen what making a small investment in audio equipment can do in increasing the quality of your overall videos. If you like any of the equipment that we spoke about today, we're going to leave links to those down in the description of this video. Also, if you have any questions for us, feel free to leave that down in the comment section and we'll respond to those. Well, now it's time for our question of the day. So we want to know from all of you is, what equipment are you currently using to record videos? So what camera, phone are you using? Do you have audio equipment? Are you using lighting? Leave that down in the comment section. We're all trying to get better at making videos, so I'd love it if we could all learn from each other. That's it for this video today. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, you can do that up above. Also, if you want to watch more of our top content, there's 2 of our top videos along the side here. So until next time, bye.